General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
Akiaruka icera riake ria wira guku bururi-ini, President wa Uganda Yoweri Museveni mari hamwe na President William Ruto mekirite wira ukinyaniria wa ngirimiti gatagati ka mabururi maya meri maundu-ini ma ugendi, miako, ukui, wenji wa mahiga ma goro, utonga wa mai-ini, urimi gatagati ka maundu mangi na itanya ria kunyitia gukurania kwa mabururi maya meri.
Our cooperation in these areas aims to catalyze economic development, foster people-to-people ties, and ensure that our engagements translate into tangible benefits for the peoples of our two countries. We are united in our commitment to deepening bilateral cooperation and delivering shared prosperity for our citizens, while also working together towards a stronger and more integrated region.
Nĩ ngirimiti atongoria aya marauga no cikũguna gĩtarũ gĩothe kĩa Afrika ya irathĩro na mũno maũndũ-inĩ megiĩ ũkui na wonjoria.
I have informed His Excellency the President of our commitment and conclusion on negotiations between partners and the Republic of Kenya on the extension of the railway from Naivasha to Kisumu and finally to Malaba to join the railway that will now go into Uganda and into the DRC.
The issue of the producers and the consumers is at the center of a modern economy. So therefore, when you see people, leaders, whatever they are, just talking about all other things, this one, why are you not talking about the market?
President Museveni ni ekereire na njira nene bata wa urumwe wa mabururi ma Afrika ya irathĩro akiuga ino noyo njira ĩngĩhotithia mabururi maya kwĩhanda.
How can you have the sitting room in another country, the bedroom in another country, the kitchen in another country? What sort of arrangement is this?
I will be going to Uganda in October or maybe latest November for the groundbreaking ceremony of the largest steel factory in our region, in Tororo. That is a joint project between Kenya and Uganda.
Hamwe na ũguo, Museveni nonekete gũkĩrĩra ũhoro wa mũrurumo wa andũ ethĩ na mateta ma mahinda kwa mahinda marĩa makoretwo makĩerekerio thirikari. Icera rĩrĩ rĩa kũmatia ndũgũ ya Kenya na Uganda rĩũkĩte rĩrĩ thirito ya Kenya na bũrũri wa Tanzania yonekete kũgĩa na igeca. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.